Exe, this is Lele Hlonolo from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. We give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. If your partner is cheating, we give you counseling. That's all. So stay tuned. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena
Bro,
ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho angithi sina sesenzile i-loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful into ezokwenza yona
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asakaqedwa washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Hi. Hello, how are you? My name is Lele Hlonolo. I'm from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. So I want to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. We want to test your relationship.
Okay.
What's your name?
Ravonia.
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 Did I pronounce it well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Can we do that? Please come this side so that cars don't disturb us. So I'm going to give you my phone. You're going to type your partner's numbers and then we're going to call him. I'm going to call him. Then I will need you to be quiet for that few seconds.
Okay.
So who are you dating?
Jabu.
Jabu. Okay, you and Jabu, how long have you guys been together?
2 years.
2 years. When last did you see him?
Last night.
Last night.
Mm.
They were too so quick. So how often do you guys see each other?
Maybe 4 times a week.
What? Wait, so why you guys see each other so many times? Skin,
No, like re batla go ba close to each other.
How far do you guys stay from each other?
Maybe 20 minutes away.
Oh, okay. But I know got where rata wena. Okay, go ba fa ke number phone tsa motho wa gago ne.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So le no wa kwa yena. Ujabu uyakunika ne? Yes, yes. Wena hey, uka wa addicted wena. Hello. Hello.
Hello. So I'm doing otherwise.
Sharp wena.
Send me Jack.
You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. Your partner is here. I'm with your partner right now. I wanna give your partner 1,000 rand if you're loyal. So can I ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal?
Which part?
The one that you're dating.
Okay.
How many partners do you have?
I only have one partner, the one we're with right now.
Okay. Is she light skin or dark skin?
She's light skinned.
Okay. When last did you see your partner? When last did you see her?
I'm saying she's light skinned.
Yeah. When last did you see her?
Oh, when last did I see her?
Yes.
I was with her last week Wednesday, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it was last week Wednesday.
Okay.
And I'm busy with TVs nowadays, you know, so I've got something else to be busy with.
How long have you guys been together?
We've been together for about maybe 3 months now.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
My partner's name is Kamogetsi.
Kamogetse. Jabu.
Well, mom.
Ke mang Kamogetse?
Shit. Ke like ke go ena motho.
Yo wan tlwaela o itse.
Ebile re shit.
Kamogetse.
Exactly go ena.
Kopa o tla mo shitting.
Oh, so o ntshitela ka motho o kopellene 2 months ago.
No, wouldn't I think like it was a prank or something?
Prank?
It was like I thought it was a prank or something like
Ai wena ka 2026 go na le dio tsa di prank.
When I came out of 1,000 just to confirm your partner, I thought it was a prank, my love.
No, even though ke prank, when you should know your partner. So which means when a velo ya cheat nje.
I don't light skin even.
Aware ke light skin even. So unojola lesipoko sa light skin wena.
No, baby, I was just
Ke
describing.
amogetse.
I was just describing my ex, baby.
Ah, so sampo nagana ex ya gago. Siswa ntloela yo. Ah, umpone shem. Tsamawe ko ka mogetsi wa gago once. Tsamawe ko ka mogetsi. It's fine, you can go to ka mogetsi. Go shapo. Go fedile. Go shapo. Boyfriend te feng ke go bona all the time. Ntho. A o bone gore batho ba mpotsa ba batla.
Re etsa loyalty test.
Ha o mara. Re batla o bona gore o na le ngqondo na o na ngqondo ngwana ka go bona. Hey, yeah.
O dumetse.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Why is it that he didn't agree?
Wena awufuni ngoba uyazi ukuthi uyacheata, that's why. Ke a molong ke mo tseleng ya go a molong mara wena o setse le bo kamogetsi ba gago akere. Don't put the blame on me. If kwena se febele ska febela nna. Go shapo go fedile ne.
Symbol.
Go fedile go fedile shapo. Ke amogetsi o tla go fa whatever that if nna ke go please then o tla go please, it's okay. It's fine. Ne, ska tlotse mfounela ke tla go blocka ebile today. Ke tla go blocka. Yo.
My sister, how are you? How are you feeling?
Yo, I'm surprised, Shem. I
So-
didn't expect that from him.
So the whole time was a suspect or there is someone in this relationship.
Like you said, 2 months, I didn't suspect. For the past 2 months, I didn't, Shem. I'm surprised. For the fact that we're bonana all the time, I'm surprised. Abo. Maybe nekile blind.
So when right now, like, are you single, like, or are you whatever?
A ke single. O tla jwela le ka mogetsi.
You move on so quick, Mus. Why you move on so quick?
2026, we don't have time for games.
No.
My phone ka mogetsi, they can go together. It's fine.
Sorry, ne?
It's
Should we
fine.
organize you counseling?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Ke tla ba sharp.
Okay. Thank you, ne?
Thank
for your
you.
time. This is the end of the episode. This is Lily Hlonolo. Kopa o shebe dikoloi, my sister. This is the end of the episode, guys. I'm jolo hectic. Mara, sometimes you must know your worth, you know, and move if you have to. Sometimes it's not worth it, you know. Anyway, this is the end of the episode. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Lily Hlonolo from CMTV. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze nga find out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wait,
Bro,
don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sina sesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?